Are you looking for the best treadmills under $500 women over 50 love? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills under $500 women over 50 love on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. OMA Treadmills for home. If you're looking for a treadmill that has minimal noise and a durable design, then this may be the perfect one for you. This model was made with a quiet motor to minimize distractions while you work out. The LED display also allows you to track your heart rate and calories from the start of your workout to the end. If you're looking to up the intensity of your workout, it also comes with 3 different incline settings to get your heart pumping. The start, stop, and speed settings are also conveniently located on the handles for you to easily adjust your workout as you go. Why we like it: LED display that allows you to track your workout from start to finish. 3 incline settings to adjust your workout intensity. Speed settings are located on the handles for easy adjustment. One reviewer noted how fast and simple it was to put together. This treadmill is very easy to assemble and use. It probably took me 10 minutes to put everything together. At number 2. Runow Folding Treadmill. Convenience is key when you're working out. It's easy to get distracted with figuring out what buttons do what, but this treadmill massive LCD makes the process simple. Along with being gorgeous, it has dozens of preset workouts, so you won't get bored. The foldable design includes a large belt that's shock absorbent and easy on the ankles. Speed walk the pounds away, watching the display where you can track your time, speed, distance, calories burnt, and heart rate. When you want more of a challenge, adjust the manual incline. The speed can also be controlled on the handlebars, making reaching your fitness goals that much more easy. Why we like it: 36 preset workouts. Sturdy foldable. Happy customer. The treadmill definitely changed our way of life during the pandemic, and my family just loves it. It's very simple in design, but has got all the features needed for our workouts. At number 3. Sunny Health and AMP Fitness Avenue Treadmill. Whether you're walking or running, having a supportive treadmill can make all the difference post-workout. The Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill was made with shock absorbance so that you can exercise in comfort without worrying about intense joint soreness post-workout. The motor used in this model was created to be quiet so that you can work out in peace with less noises to distract you. To avoid any heavy lifting, the treadmill was made with a fold-up design and wheels, so that you can easily move it around and store it wherever. Why we like it: designed with shock absorbance for added support, created with quietness in mind, folds up, and has wheels for easy storage. I like this treadmill because it's quiet and it lets me get a nice fast-paced walk in every day. It shows your pulse, blood pressure, and calories burned as well. At number 4. SereneLife Smart Electric Folding Treadmill. For an easy setup, this treadmill comes equipped with a soft drop system to avoid any heavy lifting and a safer setup. Whether you're a new runner or looking to challenge yourself, this model comes with the 16 preset training modes to choose from. Keep yourself entertained with music or your favorite podcast using the Bluetooth settings. The safety handrails also have speed settings so that you can conveniently adjust the speed to fit your needs. Why we like it: 16 preset training modes, soft drop system for easier setup, Bluetooth capable. It's light, has a small footprint, and is very quiet, one reviewer noted. I love that the program speeds and patterns are visible on the dashboard. The 2 holders are perfect for my phone and TV remote. At number 5. Redliro Folding Treadmill. If you're looking to get in shape, a good cardio workout will allow you to achieve your health goals. Using Redliro treadmill, you can choose from one of the 12 preset training programs or do your own workout depending on what you like. If you enjoy tracking your workout progress, the backlit display monitor will track your heart rate, calories burned, distance, and more. The belt features 5 layers of shock-absorbing material, making it easy on joints. Why we like it: 5 layers of shock absorption, has 12 preset training programs, display with speakers. Happy customer. Overall very lightweight and compact. It's easy to move around and fold up. It's also very quiet when on.